Alright guys, and back to the channel guys. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. As you know guys, we're going to be doing a bike race. We're going to start off with the kindergarten students first, and you'll witness them turn over the baton onto the bigger kids. Okay guys, so we'll carry you along with us. As I say, leave a comment. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and let's begin. So we're starting off kindergarten. We have two. The one in green is a Creque Conqueror, and the one in yellow here is representing for the Wheatley Bolt. And of course, I'm a Wheatley Bolt as well. So the police right now is going in front of the students, and they're going to begin. All right, guys. So we're getting ready to see the preschool. No, the kindergarten. Hello, what's your name?
Javon.
Javon, all right. Javon is in the first leg. What's your name?
Kimani.
All right, guys. Let's see how Kimani and Javon will do. All right, stay tuned, guys, as we reach the corner. So quite up there. Let me see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. They will hand over the baton to their teammate. All right, keep in mind my son is over there, so you'll see. Yes, YouTube, watch where my co-worker sitting. Look at this. Check out her Crocs. They're for sale. Alright guys, we get ready to start.
Go! Go, go, go! Bye, 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 bye! Check it out.
Okay, Elijah, go. Let me go. Axel, no, he bites.
Take you out of bush.
You go greenhouse. Tell you right. Go Elijah. Keep riding. You can beat Julie. Go. You can beat Alaya Salo. Watch what you're doing. Go on the back. Go on the back. Go ahead, go. Go on the back. Mommy right there to protect you. You guys soon stop now. Put me by that bike. Stop by Miss Edward. Alaya, get on. Okay, put me. Let me get my child. Yeah? Yeah. Let's go, Alaya. That's okay. Puppy, you did well. Let's go, Alaya. Mackies, you go. Oh, no. Mackies, you waiting on Excel. Alaya, you got big head start. Son. Go, 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 go. Go, Alaya, you give me the inch. Go, girl. Go, go. Go, Alaya. God, Jesus. Jesus. Come on, pick her up. I hope she didn't break her back. drink is crazy. Well, Lord, look at it. You see all the spectators and the fast people.
A guy in the back.
Go ahead. So, yeah, but we need to go. Go. Go, Solomon, catch up. You think he wobbling or is it me? Hey, are you two go? Two are you go?
Right like a man.
Hi, Mari Cruz.
You right?
Check it out. Check it out.
Give up.
I have put a bike in. Let's go.
JR yellow.
D'Angelo's yellow, green. What
He
is
didn't even wait
this?
until they come. JR, me and JR later. Look how beautiful he riding. He should have been
He could
yellow.
ride. He could ride.
See that how you are riding?
Yeah,
Puppy,
you are riding
you
like
are
this.
pleased. You like Salo.
Yeah,
Salo
boy.
was
You are riding. I'm so proud of you.
You can tell your customer riding by
Yeah. He.
Yeah.
He will for you know because he's your brother image.
Too much sun.
That's what he has.
It's Justin.
Shamara's next.
They keep looking back. They shouldn't do that.
Go! Don't look back! Go!
Look at all the yellow there.
Go!
Oh no,
This is the last second. Look like we balls. Look like we going win.
No. What Melvin doing?
Go Caleb. That's it. Let the rest of them pick up. That's right, Caleb. He got this. Weekly Bolt got this.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go! Let's go, let's go!
Rock it up!
That's right, boy. Go down sexy. And the Weekly Bolt survey.